Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mon'a, and yes, I have been seeing all the requests in the comments about my at-home photo studio, so that's what we're going to get into today for this video. So let's get into it. Mon'a, you know this girl don't play. Mon'a. We are here in my apartment, in my living room. This is my mini photo studio setup. This is a budget-friendly studio setup. So if you are looking to start photography and you want to start practicing or start doing your own photo shoots at home, this is perfect for anybody starting out. Yeah, so let's get into it. Most of this stuff I bought off of Amazon. I'm going to link everything I have down in the description. So yeah, here is the background stand. It is a 10 by 7 feet in measurements, and it is adjustable. And the backdrop stands ranges from $30 to $40. Like I said, I'll be putting all the products that I go over today in the description if you guys want to go grab it and whatever you need. So yeah, let's get into the next thing, which will be our backdrop and what type of backdrops you will need and that I recommend. All right, so for backdrop paper, I highly recommend you guys get the seamless paper backdrops. Like, don't go out and go get them cloth backdrops because it just doesn't look good. These type of backdrops just make your pictures look clean, seamless, and they take your pictures to a whole nother level. You don't have to worry about a wrinkled background or really having to edit to make it have that clean look. So these range from about $30, and you can over time get different colors. I have a few colors. I have a pink, I have a nude, I have a blue color coming in. So like over time I've just been buying different colors, but the pink has been my favorite because pink is like one of my favorite colors. But yeah, this is 53 inches and 16 feet long. This paper has lasted me a long time. When I'm done, I just roll it up. I roll it back up, but I still have like a lot of paper. I've had this paper for about over a year, if I'm being honest. But yeah, it lasts. It's sturdy, and I love it. So yeah, I use this for pictures. I also use it sometimes for my YouTube videos just to have as a background. But yeah, the seamless paper backdrops, go get you those, get you different colors, stuff like that. So yeah, let's get into the next product, which will be my Softbox lights. Dang, I'm all boxed in. Get it? Boxed in? Okay. I'm trying to add some humor to this. Anyways, these are my Softbox lights, and they came with 2 in a pack. And let's turn them on. Let's turn them on. You see how that just made this video so much more vibrant? So having good lighting is obviously a big part of photography, videography, whatever you do. So yeah, these are very helpful with my shoots, and they were $50 for both, so a total of like $25 for each light. So yeah, invest in some Softbox lights. They're 20 by 8. They are adjustable in height, so I can make them go higher, make them go lower. If you do product shoots and you want to like have the light on a specific thing, you can definitely lower them as well. You want the light to hit something else, or you just want the light to hit your face like this, you can do close-ups like that, glam shoots, whatever it is that you want to do. So yeah, I have my Canon Rebel T5. This is a very old camera, but it does the job when needed. Very beginner friendly, very budget friendly as well. If you just want a camera that you can practice with, I highly recommend you start off with one of these type of cameras. Very easy to use, and I usually, when I'm doing my own photos, I put my timer on. I'll do that. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. This is a short video on my at-home studio. If you guys would like me to go more in depth about anything that you guys have questions about, feel free to comment below and I will be sure to get that information out to you guys. And once again, all the products that I have in this video will be linked in the description, so you guys go ahead and grab what you need. I wish you guys all the best with your at-home studios. Tag me. I want to see, you know, the pictures you guys take, and I'll also be doing videos and showing you guys different creative shoots that I do at home, just to help you guys with those creative juices if you really don't know what to do, because your girl loves getting creative and I love doing new things. So make sure you guys keep up, subscribe. See you guys later. Peace out. Tony, Mon'a. You know this girl don't play. Tony's, Mon'a, Tony's.